Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M14 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just as we can see, this is the face unlock option that works not so fast. You can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.